So, nice to be here, finally. So, the topic I'm going to talk about is filtering. I'm working with that for about 10 years now. And the last couple of years, I'm working on a Joomla extension named JFilters, which filters the Joomla articles. So, what's the problem that it solves? Here is a website about films and books, as you can see. And a typical way to organize our content is to put it in broad groups named categories, right? And subcategories. So if I'm a user of this site and looking for something, let's say for a movie, a comedy movie on Netflix, I must go in each of those articles, check each one of them until I find something I'm looking for. Is there a better way? What do you think? No, eh? The old school guy. So, why not giving the user a way to put the criteria he's looking for and get results directly, instantly, without hassle, without time, without all that stuff. And here in that site, my articles are using custom fields. So I have several custom fields for several attributes. I'm using categories, as you have seen. And I'm also using tags. All these fields are carrying information that it goes wasted if the user cannot use it, no? So I'm going to use JFilters now to create filters from all this stuff, from the custom fields, from the categories, and from the tags. So if you have something to say, feel free, it's not so formal. My voice is a bit tiring to listening all the time. I'm installing it. I'm going to open the JFilters component. And it may give me some alert messages. Just press those buttons and everything will be fixed for you. So this laptop is a bit old, but better because you see it more time, what happens. You have more time. So this component actually using the same data as a smart search and creates intermediate tables. So if you like to combine smart search and the filters, it's very easy. And I'll show you how this can be done in a while.
So smart search has already been indexed. You still need to run this.
Yeah, I'm reindexing it because JFilter have a couple of other tables which need to get data from the smart search tables. So these tables are intermediate between the smart search and the COM content, something in the middle to connect them. So this way you can filter, for example, using the categories which do not exist there. Or later maybe we'll add an option to filter by the publish date, okay? And actually you can filter with all the fields that used in the articles this way, without being dependent on the smart search. So here we have all our filters, as you can see. You have a filter for the categories. All these are the custom fields, as you can see here. Okay, and the tags, as you can see here. I'm going to publish them all for the moment. And the next step is to create a filtering module that shows all these filters. Here it is. So some people maybe are familiar with this, no? I see some familiar faces. Yes? For you, maybe this is a bit boring, but I have some new features that will be interesting while we go. So put the position. Okay. We need a menu item where the results will be shown. So you can create it from here or from the menu items, as you know. Okay. Now to take some time more, I'll use an existing one. Put it on all pages. And here we are. So here are the filters. As you can see, they are just links for the moment. But I can go and change their display type or whatever I like. So let's say as I said, if you have something to say, to ask, whatever, feel free. So I'm setting a display type for every filter. Okay, I can set some other settings. For example, if a counter will be shown, if a list search will be shown. A list search gives us the ability to search all the tags, for example, in a list. I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to set this as checkboxes.
Why are they all checked in by default just after install?
I don't know.
Because you could check them out.
I think that Joomla does it. I don't know the reason, but okay, it's not a problem. I think.
It can be confusing for a first-time user.
Yeah, but you can do whatever you like, so it's not a problem.
I know.
Just an icon.
Just
an icon.
I just uncheck them, but
You can check them out all at once.
You can check them out all, okay,
yeah,
but
sure.
I think it's just a visual for me, at least. I don't know. So guys, let's get some action. So as you can see here, we have, this is the list search I was talking about, as you can see. So you can do this for every filter. So if you have a filter with 20 options, don't let your users read all the 20 options. Maybe they'll go away. So select something. It's a bit better than the categories, no? Something else that you can do here is to use Ajax to make it even faster. If I go to the modules, so this one updates both the module and the results with Ajax and gives you an app-like feeling, right? So if I go here, as you can see, nice, huh? Now, some things I want to stress, some features. When we are in the films, the movies, for example, you see filters only for the movies. When you are in another category, you see filters only for that category. So if you have diverse content for different things, I think it can be handy, not get irrelevant filters in your pages, right? And not only that, but if I search something with the smart search, the filters are relevant to the smart search result. If you have used Amazon, eBay, whatever, I'm sure that you have done it. This is very, very usual, right? You search something and then you filter the results. Isn't it? So, something else, as you can see.
But just to make things clear,
Yeah.
actually, when you go to the menu film, for example,
Films.
yeah,
Or other subcategory. Films.
oh, whatever,
Okay. Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
we see the filter module on the right, but the main part, the component part, is a regular Joomla blog view.
Yeah.
But is it correct? As soon as you click on a filter,
You'd see another
you are
layout.
redirected to the smart
Okay.
search results view.
Yeah. If I have some time, I will explain about the layouts in the end. Okay.
Okay,
Can
okay.
you hold a bit? So some things I want to stress here. We worked a lot on SEO. So as you can see, when you select something, the page title is updated by the selected filters. Okay. The same happens with the meta tags. If your category has meta tags, the page will get those meta tags. Also will search for canonicals. For example, if you have the movies categories here, this page, the result page, by default, you'll use a canonical tag. Are you aware what a canonical tag is? Huh? Actually, what it does is to indicate the search engines that there is another page with the same content, and it should index the other page, not this one. So this way you are avoiding duplicates. Okay? You get it? So because I hear that argument a lot, it creates duplicate pages and all that stuff. It actually doesn't. Yeah.
So the link on Black Widow here
Yeah.
is a canonical for the page that's only about Black
Yeah.
Widow.
If I go to the page shorts to make it for you easier because you are a coder. Can you see the canonical?
Mhm.
Films, movies, which is the category page. Okay? You get it?
Mhm.
Okay. Something else is that it's very lightweight. Normally it's about 6 kilobytes. It's zipped. Okay, I think it's very light. And it can work with a lot of content. For example, Rick here now. Has some sites with some thousand articles and works very, very fluently, very efficiently. So we worked on that stuff to be really hard on a lot of content. So what about going, and for you who are familiar with extension, I'm going to create a new custom field named calendar and show you how you can create a filter for that and some new features that you may not know. Let's put it show date. Time now. I'm going to put some show date on our movies. Let's put the dates of the events. How do you find it so far? Let's put it 13. And one more. Why this? Where is the date here, Mark?
Where is the?
The calendar field didn't show there. Don't know why.
Maybe it's into Spanish only?
Hmm? Anyway, just a few records. If I go to JFilters now, in order to generate a filter for that, we press the synchronize button. This one will synchronize all the possible fields and generates filters for them. And here it is. Now, going to publish it. Okay. Let's say checkboxes. So the date is now just simple links, okay? But, and this is the new feature, you can display it as a calendar, also known as date picker. Let's clear it. So, and as you can see, it doesn't only display the calendar, but also the active days. Okay. So if you, oh, but it isn't enough for us. This isn't enough, guys.
And this works also if you had set date and time, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's not only if you have date
Yeah,
without time.
yeah.
Okay.
It's not enough for us, this one. Okay.
Outrageous.
You can use the date range, but what's the advantage of that date range? Let me refresh it. It's a date range in a single calendar. Doesn't needs two fields. Okay? Did you get it? Here it is. This isn't enough for us. There is more. If you have an event like this, you don't want all the days to be selectable. Okay? You just want your user to select from Friday to Sunday, right? Why not giving them the ability to only select from Friday? I put Thursday just to have a big range. Thank you, thank you. So, if I am here, as you can see, these are the only active dates. So if you have an event which is just 3 days, don't let your users select whatever they want because they are losing their time. Okay? This is the calendar. So something else. Yeah. Is that you may say that a filtering system is too much for my website. I have 10 or 20 articles. Okay? You are not forced to use the entire filtering module. Instead of this, you can just use the tags or the categories as you choose it with the native core Joomla modules. And you may say to me, why should I use a third-party extension for something that already exists in the core, right? This is the usual argument. So this is what you get, actually. You have an idea, but let me show you. I will unpublish this one. And now I'm going to select only my tags here. Okay, so I'm going to use it as a tags module. Use Ajax. Okay. You can create a new menu item just for the tags if you like, to emulate the Joomla's filtering tags module. Let's name it tags. So if I'm here, you can see the tags, okay? But those tags are relevant to your page's content, as you have seen already, okay? They work with Ajax. You can display it with 6 different ways. You can search them. I think there are some advantages with the Joomla tags module, no? And you can also multi-select them. You can select multiple tags. You can do the same with the categories, to use it as a categories module. Okay? Something else is that, let's publish the other module just for being there. So I'm sure that when you read online articles, especially newspapers and stuff like that, what happened? Go again. You see keywords which are links, right? For example, when you read an article about football and there is the name of Cristiano Ronaldo, let's say, this one may be link that loads other articles related with Cristiano Ronaldo, right? Have you seen that in articles? No? Okay, I'm not sure. For me, all those keywords are opportunities for you. So you can link them to get your users read more content and more content and more content. So if you don't link them, possibly you're losing some opportunities. So what you can do here is that you can create links for all those keywords within your content. Okay, so we created, what's that? Ah, yeah, okay.
Signal.
I lost signal too. Okay. So when I'm writing and I want to include a keyword, I can use the JFilters button. Oh. We don't have a signal.
My wife.
Use the remote.
Here.
Use the remote.
But I don't receive either.
Should I?
don't know.
Let me
Is it
check.
unplug it?
It's okay, but let me give it.
Or are you sharing your screen? Or
Yeah, I'm trying to share it. I think so, no? I think you will remember this presentation
No, but I'm receiving
for many
it's not
years.
TV. Fine. Just unplug the cable and replug just in case it would trigger something. No? Yeah? Okay.
Okay. Did you get what I was saying, or should I start over? Okay. So. Woohoo!
It's gone again.
Coming?
But I don't. Okay. Just put this directly instead of the other.
Okay. Can you close this one?
Oh, no food. Can you do this one?
Oh man.
This. Can you? Oh, yeah.
Okay, leave it as.
Yeah. No. No. I think the issue was coming from your computer, because even without me recording, we had an issue.
Anyway. Oh. Mark, don't touch it, please. Don't touch it.
No, I'm not doing anything. You're directly pretending to the TV.
So anyway, you can use your editor. There is a button in the editor named JFilters. One you can load directly in your content, filtering links. Okay. I don't think that it's very comprehensive now. So, if I want to put the release date, I'm selecting the JFilters button here. Okay. Go to the year. Select it. Language. You can also write it directly and then create the link. For example, I can write Spanish.
But it does not index the links when they're already there.
Yeah, it indexes them. But you can set them to no follow, for example. But you want them to get indexed, no?
Yeah, but I mean, if the links are already there in your articles and you then
Yeah.
install JFilters, it also indexes all the links.
Index who?
Now-
Google? Or
now you are creating them.
no, the links exist already. These are the same links with those I used in the filters. Okay? So if I go to my front end, in this article named Durante la Tormenta, these are the links. So if I press Spanish, you will get all the articles in Spanish.
Yeah, in the overview they don't show, those links are not there. That's nice.
Yeah. If I press date, so you get it, right? For me, if you don't put these links in your content, in your keywords, you are missing opportunities, in my opinion. Your users will go away without further reading, okay? So pretty much, this is it, the main features. You can download this from, let me open my presentation, finger crossed. Yeah. And the website is named bluecoder.com. Here it is. Okay. And there is a free version, which does not have all the features, but it's useful and fully works. Okay. These are the other plans. If you like to get the pro one. And also have a discount coupon for anyone here wants to get a pro plan. Okay, if you like to use it, it's 25 discount coupon, 25%, and you can put it in the checkout page down there, okay? That's all, guys. This is the most unexpected presentation I ever had.
So coming back
Coming back to the layout issue.
yeah,
Because Mark is
the
stubborn.
bonus.
Mark is stubborn. JFilters is using the same layout as the Smart Search. Okay. We did this because we wanted to seem unified when you use a Smart Search and the filters to have a unified experience. But if you think it, if you create a good layout for the Smart Search, you have a good layout also for all the results of JFilters, for your category pages, for your tags pages, for almost every type of page you can get. So I think it worth going there and creating a good layout. Something else is that you can use it with UTheme Pro. We have a plugin which integrates it, and you can completely redesign the results page, using UTheme Pro by drag and drop and all that stuff. Okay? If you have something to say, yeah?
It looks very similar like DJ content filters.
Yeah, not at all. Yeah, okay, I'll tell
It
you.
looks like
Yeah.
they do the same, but only for YouTube Pro.
They don't do the same.
A lot.
It is the content line, the Joomla line.
No. It's another one that I've never used.
Oh, I don't know it. Sorry.
DJ extensions.
DJ extensions.
Oh, I don't know it. Sorry.
They have
Yeah.
the content filter also.
I have seen it, but I don't know details. So,
Okay.
but thanks for sharing it.
I guess DJ extensions only works with UTheme, which is nice.
No.
No? I thought it was a block, an element. No?
The DJ filter is only for YouTube. Yes, only for you. But
Yeah,
they
that's what I was saying.
You have a lot of other Joomla stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. But we were speaking about DJ
Yes,
filters.
the
So,
content,
yeah. So if you're not using UTheme, you cannot use it. So, and
No, I understand.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have YouTube instruction video?
Documentation.
I present documentation now, but I present this at least 4 or 5 times, so you can find many videos and workshops. Okay, and we also have a detailed documentation and a couple of blog posts that almost explain everything. Almost. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, cowboy.
It's not a question, it's just a review about your extension.
Yeah.
I use it on a website that will present tomorrow. And we have today almost 2,000 articles filtered by your extension. And your extension is
It's the best.
it's magical. It's magical.
Thank you. Thank you.
And moreover, we had few questions. If you remember, you helped me on your forum support.
What type of questions? I don't remember.
I have a question at the beginning for using your extension, and you answer immediately.
Okay.
Your answer are clear, and you help us very efficiently. So thank you very much.
Thanks. I'm pleased to serve a cowboy guy.
Luckily, it doesn't shoot.
That's it.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Anyone else? Feel free, guys. Whatever comes to you.
Thank you.
Also, you can suggest something if you like.